Hello YouTube, my name's Jacob Lingus. Not affiliated with anybody, just Jake. And today I want to talk to you guys about the PKS knife kits. They got 3 different kinds. Okay. And in my opinion, these knives are the best you're going to get for the price. They're $10.95 high carbon steel. I don't know the exact sizes, but they come with Scandinavian grinds. This one actually modified. It's got a Scandivex. It's got maple handles. These got curly birch. Sorry about the lighting too. But yeah, I mean, just for the price, man, you cannot beat them. Just phenomenal knives. Which any knife can baton. Like that one guy, I don't know his name, but he batons with a butter knife. Which is pretty wild, but yeah, baton doesn't prove nothing. But yeah, the great thing about these, you can customize the handles any way you want them. Me, I like fatter handles, so fatter the better. Which, I mean, they just feel great. And the kit, I believe, is $47 before tax. So for under, you know, the sheath you can get from there, I think you can get for about 30 bucks. So the sheath is almost as much as the knife. But, and I'm sure you can find a sheath online cheaper. But for less than $100, you can have a nice, customized bushcraft knife. Which nowadays in today's market is really cheap, and everybody's on a budget. Most people, me particularly, I can't go out and spend $200–300 on a knife, which I'm sure most of you can't either. But I mean, if that's the case, I mean, these are great. You can get on the Pathfinder store, the Self-Reliance Outfitter store, and order these. Yeah, you should check them out. Get a closer look at them. This is the one I was telling you about that had the Scandivex. They're all full tang. This one reminds me of the, what is it, the Battle Horse PKS. Actually went to the gun and knife show yesterday and seen Dan Collins there, who's just a freaking awesome guy. But he matched this one up to that knife, and he's like, yeah, it's pretty similar. But I mean, like you said, just for the price, I mean, you really can't beat it. So, I mean, you should get on their website and check it out. Pathfinder store. Or Self-Reliance Outfitter store, sorry. They've all been tree heated. So, I think there's just a little burr on there you got to take off. And Dave Canterbury does the videos, shows you how to put them together. They're super easy to put together. I mean, it takes very minimal tools. Super easy, but yeah, it's definitely worth checking out. Alrighty, well, everybody have a good day. Thanks for watching. If you like, hit the like button, and if you like, subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.